What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. So I just pulled up to the Habitat for Humanity Restore. If you don't know what that is, it's a store where they deal with a lot of donated excess building materials and home improvement materials and renovation materials. Once in a while they'll get some things that are reminiscent of normal thrifted items. This store is about a mile from my house, and in 4 years I think I've been in here about 8 times because I never find anything that's either priced right or worth reselling. So I'm gonna strap the camera on today and we will see if we can find anything. I'm not holding my breath.
We have more walkway and the soft is down the middle aisle. Yeah, we can do it that way.
$2. Big fan of HDMI cables. $3. I want 10.
We might have all right, how you doing, Benny? her. Her dad. I think that's what.
All right, so that was exactly what I thought. Nothing priced right, you know, as far as reselling goes. So maybe I'll try again in another 6 months or so. I have found decent things on occasion. It's just very few and far between. But I've seen videos of people actually finding pretty good scores at the restore. So I do like to give it a try every now and then, but it was just pretty sparse in there as far as items I'd even want to ship. And then when I would scan them, the buy box price would be $3.98 and they would be charging $10 for it, and this doesn't make sense. So, but that's what I got for you today, guys. Sorry, nothing exciting to show you, but I had to get this one out of my system. So if you like this type of thrifting video or thrift with me video, make sure you like it, leave your comments down below, and as always, subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate that, and I will see you next time. Bye.